Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best telescoping ladders that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Ohuhu Aluminum Telescoping Ladder. With a shorter maximum height of 8.5 feet, this ladder is best for indoor tasks, such as reaching the cabinets above your refrigerator or adjusting a ceiling fan. It won't slide across your floor either thanks to its non-slip end caps. This 8.5-foot extension ladder shrinks to 2.5 feet when it's in a closed position. You can close it easily by pushing the 2 buttons on its lower rungs as opposed to pushing buttons on every rung. It's also lightweight at 17 pounds but still durable enough to hold 330 pounds. Make your life a little easier with the Ohuhu Telescopic Extension Ladder. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, this ladder is lightweight and easy to carry. It's the perfect tool to help you paint walls, change light bulbs, clean windows, clean the gutters, repair the roof, and so much more. Moving on at number 4, we have Extend and Climb Telescoping Ladders. The Extend and Climb Telescoping Ladder is no slacker. Of all the telescoping-only ladders we tested, this one is the most substantial in terms of weight and material quality. At 27 pounds, it's heavier than most, but it retracts to a handy 32 inches, and it comes with a padded foam grip located just under the second to bottom rung that kept the metal from pressing into our palms as they carried it. While some telescoping and extension ladders come hurtling down, posing a danger to fingers, the Extend ladder retracts rung by rung when the 2 side buttons are depressed, softly. The Extend and Climb legs feature molded non-slip pads that hold the ladder in place. The manufacturer claims the ladder supports up to 225 pounds. While they didn't have 225 pounds to test that claim, it certainly seemed solid enough for that. At number 3, we have Archom Folding Telescopic Ladders. At just 30 inches tall when retracted and weighing 13.9 pounds, they found it easy to carry the Archom telescoping ladder and stow it in the trunk of the car. The extension and retraction movement is smooth and safe for fingers as it retracts only 1 rung at a time. They held firm. The rungs felt solid underfoot, but they doubt whether this ladder would hold up to 330 pounds as advertised. This is another light-duty telescoping ladder. It's beneficial for use when you need a ladder to reach items on a high shelf, but it's not stable enough for DIY projects or extended use. Its main value lies in being able to store it in a small place, such as beside the fridge or in a hall closet, making it quickly retrievable when you need to reach something overhead. It would make a very nice RV ladder as well. At number 2, we have Little Giant Ladders. Ladders and unlevel surfaces don't mix. That is, until multi-purpose ladders, such as the Little Giant 17-foot ladder, came along. The Little Giant solves that problem. In all positions, the Little Giant felt sturdy and stable. It comes with non-slip feet and is rated to hold up to 300 pounds. There is a bit of flex at its full extension, but that's to be expected from a hinged ladder at that height. It's still stable. The hinges are all made from quality material, and for as tall as the Little Giant is, it's amazingly lightweight at just 32 pounds. However, when retracted, it's still 56 inches long, so it's more suitable for storing in a shed or a garage than in the house. This ladder will withstand heavy DIY use and is also suitable on the job site. And finally at number 1, the Oxgord Expandable Ladder. Amongst ladders in the same category of 12.5 feet tall and 330 IBS capacity, Oxgord Ladder LDLTS02-12 stands tall in competition. It is a multi-purpose ladder that falls within any budget. The price, $84.95, is affordable with free shipping on Amazon. The ladder has 2 steel pins that lock automatically on every step for added safety measures. Interestingly, The aux-cord ladder offers a 75-degree angle position, a feature any user can use for difficult spots. It is a lightweight of 24.2 IBs and has a balance dimension of 41 x 20 x 4 inches. Contractors and regular users looking for a 12.5 feet tall ladder will find it user-friendly and reliable. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.